In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete facial verification on Binance app. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. You can see over here Binance application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to delete the facial verification, it is actually very simple. First of all, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply tap on your username that you can see at top. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options related with account info. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for security. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the security interface. What you have to do is tap on this option passkeys that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the passkeys interface. Now if you have added any facial verification over here, you'll be able to delete it. All you have to do is tap on the delete icon right next to the facial verification. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is verify through your fingerprint, face or screen lock. So if you've added the facial verification over here, verify with your face. Now you can see over here the facial verification will be deleted. So that is how you delete facial verification on Binance app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.